Picture this. You're sitting at the inn at the Alameda, wrapped in a blanket. You're watching the snowfall over the adobe rooftops and all of downtown Santa Fe. The streets are quiet. The city is glistening. And for a second, everything feels perfect. That moment right there is when winter in Santa Fe hooked me. If you're enjoying this type of content, smash that follow, like, share, comment, subscription, anything. Your support keeps this going. Thank you. Snow on Adobe? It looks fake, like a movie set, but the whole city does slow down and it feels like a peaceful Hallmark movie. Cozy, magical, all at once, just missing the murder mystery at the end.
I make lists when I pack.
Of course you do, Norman.
I'm so sorry you came here today, Hannah.
Staying at the inn at the Alameda made it even better. Warm, cozy rooms, fireplaces, the classic Santa Fe charm.
Whoa.
From the great breakfast, buffet type serving style, with a cozy fireplace inside of the breakfast area, it was a nice relaxing touch that I didn't know that I needed. Listen, Tomasitas in the winter hits different. The red chile, green chile, sopapillas, that's so warming food. When it's cold out, that chile feels like a hug from the ancestors. It keeps you going, keeps you awake. Make sure that the tequila is not smacking too much. The big one is savings. The hotels are cheaper, restaurants are easier, parking doesn't make you want to cry, and winter in Santa Fe is a cheat code for saving money and avoiding crowds with a magical area all around it. If you actually stay at the inn at the Alameda, they can actually drive you around and back from anywhere you want to. That's a big perk this hotel has. A personal favorite of mine, Meow Wolf, is even wilder in the winter. Stepping into Meow Wolf from the cold feels like teleporting into another dimension straight from cold space. Neon rooms, secret doors, mind-bending art. Meow Wolf really does hit twice as hard in the winter. Of course, in Santa Fe, you have art and culture without the crowds. Galleries, museums, shops. Winter gives you space to actually enjoy it all without the shoulder-to-shoulder chaos. If you want a winter trip that's peaceful, beautiful, weird, delicious, and unforgettable, Santa Fe is definitely it. We watched snowfall on adobe houses downtown, ate Tomasitas, explored Meow Wolf, and stayed at the perfect spot at the inn at the Alameda. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if Santa Fe just made your winter travel list.